address of Mr. Subhash Verma, National Advisor, Indian Association of Travel and Tourism Experts. Requesting Mr. Subhash Verma to please join us here. Zordar Taaliyan.
Good evening, everybody, all the chief guests, the government officials, and the trade and travel colleagues. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Ajay Gupta for various things, and especially being his birthday. But he is the one person that in this dark phase is taking a bold step to have a real and physical events like this, which is motivating the whole industry and all of us. I think you all agree with us. So congratulations, Ajay and the whole ICM team, and all the best wishes for you all. And now coming to this, I believe in a positive attitude. Now let's forget the COVID and Corona positive. Let's be tourism positive. It's the time, I think, we have crossed the tunnel almost, the dark tunnel, and the light is there. We are almost at the end of the tunnel. This is my belief. And so, we should be thinking all for the future and the present. I think that life is such that travel is what the human beings, the nature, the instinct of the man is that, like they say, life is like a book. If you don't travel, you remain on page 1. That's my belief. So, travel is something for all human beings, is an instinct. So it will come back, and it is coming very soon. This is how I believe in that. But the life will somewhat, the COVID, somewhat life will modify, no, somewhat life will simplify, and the business will modify. I think the COVID has been a great T-bend, but not the end. The life has to go on, the life will go on. But coming back to tourism now at the present, I think the domestic tourism has a lot of movement. Instead of all these things, we have seen that the domestic is moving. But unfortunately, the segment of tour operators and travel agents is hardly 20% of the whole domestic movement. So that is what we lack. I think the two verticals of the industry, the hoteliers and travel agents and tour operators, has to sit down, doing the partnership and synergy, because this is some anomaly, reality are unseen. There is a movement, but the travel agents and tour operators are yet not getting the due share, which is doable between two segments of the industry. This should be done. Instead of asking the government, this government will not do, government has not done anything, not back, and we should be on the own. Parallelly, we should campaign and keep asking the government, but we should be more on Atmanirbhar, more on self-reliant. We should, as an industry, we should be doing that. The online, the COVID has come. I think the online and digital social media has done 10 years ahead. It has jumped. We all know that. It is the future now. It will stay. It will remain. It's a part of the business. We have to do a lot of changes with the business. But yet, the travel and tourism, basically 50% of kind of things has to be in physical and reality form. The taxi driver, the monuments, all those things we cannot do. We can reach the more people via Zoom and webinars. But on the ground reality, the tourism has to happen. It's a live thing, has to happen and will happen. And I think the outbound, as far as you see the segments, inbound is going to take a lot of more time in India. I'll be very honest, because the government has to work and the government is slow in inbound. The image of international, overseas working, but outbound, my own study has done that outbound from next year will grow and will grow very nicely. There are a lot of new destinations. The foreign, the tour operators of foreign countries will work faster than us, and you will see the 22 itself from May, June onward, the outbound will grow. So we should be ready for it. Already some embassies are open, and see from the 22nd already I see outbound happening. And the new what I mean is the opportunities are there for the travel agents and tour operators. Go to the different verticals, soft adventure, cycling, all activity, wherein Indians lack in domestic tourism, more activity-based, more young people, more students, and activity-based tourism should happen. My request to all the states is that wherever 60% domestic tourism is all religious, so wherever the religious destination, you build something for the family and wellness, because wellness is going to be the future mantra. So that people, suppose for example, they go to Vaishno Devi, they can stay one more night. You will see the millions will stay one more night if some activity for family and wellness is there on those places. Because people go anyway, they spend the time. That is one thing, my request to all the states. Secondly, the young and students, I think via the Ministry of Education and Tourism, these mandatory should be made. The students from 10th, 9th and 11th class, they go interstate once in a year for 3-4 days. It should be made must. So that is what they are the future of the nation. So they should be made mandatory travel for this. This will increase it. So this is what the few points which I had in my mind, and I am representing IATA at the moment, which is a new forum born in this July. It's an online forum, more than the association. So my request is to all, we should be positive, tourism positive, think positive, and we shall be winners. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Subhash Verma, and Ajay ji se request करती हूँ to please join us on the dais for presenting a souvenir to Mr. Subhash Verma ji, National Advisor, Indian Association of Travel and Tourism Experts. Wonderful. Talia ka saath, everybody. Come on, zordar talia. Thank you.